Hi, I want to talk about this tea, green tea. Again, I chose a lemon green tea. I just like this mixture, but you can just get straight green tea. Definitely have a lot of benefits. It definitely helps with brain functions, help overall health, such as your heart. It's a great antioxidant. Just to name a few, it has so many benefits. Green tea been around for centuries. Definitely, you should have it. Uh, you definitely can't go wrong. I always would say about these products. So have this in your cabinet. Green tea. It's good for your overall health. A lot of you guys know. Some of you guys don't. I'm gonna put the benefits in the description box. Some of them, and also check with your local physician. I'm sure he or she wouldn't have a problem with that. Until next time, take care.